My name's Ryan.
Hi, I'm Sophie. I work at Nobu in Portman Square. I'm the bar manager there.
Hello, I'm Tony Kuster. I'm a beverage expert for MONIN in the UK and Ireland. Education, obviously invaluable in any kind of career you work in. Where we work in quite an industry where a lot of kind of recipes, techniques are often closely kind of like guarded or kept secret. It's kind of nice just to be open and kind of teach people about things and kind of show them it's not as hard as they kind of think it is. Education is key, no matter what it is. If you're doing a spirit tasting, a syrup tasting, developing drinks on your own, it's from being a good bartender to an amazing bartender.
It is the number one priority. This, like I said, there's a philosophy of standing on the shoulders of giants with hospitality. This has been an industry that's been going for centuries, millennia, and there's a wealth of experience and knowledge to be attained, but it seems that too often it's not shared. It's not passed down quick enough, and we have to try and figure it out, and I don't think that's an efficient way of doing it.
I think education's everything when it comes to hospitality. You learn every day. I learn from my staff, from my guests, and hopefully they learn back from me as well.
My name is Noah Villeneuve. I work for Club Soda. We're the UK's mindful drinking expert.
I'm Erica and I'm from Saddle & Shaker Bars.
Hi, I'm Henry. I'm a bartender at the Trading House in Bank.
I'm Nick. I work at the Grand Brighton and I'm a cocktail bartender.
Fan Allen. I work at Cocktails Uncovered.
I've chosen to attend this workshop because I love everything that MONIN do and I love everything that the Drinks Trust do.
At the start of our journey, we just want to get as much information and as much knowledge as we can possibly get.
So I'm just always up for more training. I want to develop myself. I want to learn not only about bartending but other aspects of hospitality, and I thought that this would be a great place to come.
I came from Brighton to London because I really want to develop my own skills and learn where I can progress and see the new areas.
Because I love Monin.
I loved hearing from Tony about everything that is, how creative you can get with combining syrups and creating new ingredients with existing product. Creativity, keeping the bartender happy as well as the customer happy, and I think that that's so important to cover that ground.
So much more than I expected. So obviously lots about the product range for MONIN, but also so much about creativity and branding and how we present ourselves. So a lot more business and working knowledge than I was expecting.
I really enjoyed learning about the applications of different MONIN syrups and combining those to make shrubs or cordials.
I liked being a bit about where we should be as a team, how we should learn as a team and work together.
Absolutely, 100%.
Oh, I would 100% recommend this to other people.
And when I started out as a bartender, there wasn't really much like these workshops around. And I think they're really important, not just about learning from speakers like myself today, but from meeting other individuals in the bar industry, meeting like-minded people, and meeting bartenders of a similar age and sharing, engaging in what everyone else is doing. I think that's one of the most important things you get from these workshops.
Absolutely. Every day is a school day. I learned a lot today. Super useful. I mean, if you ever get the time to come to these kinds of things, keep doing it. It'll always add to your arsenal, always add to your toolbox.
100%. I will try and drag as many people that I work with to things like this as possible.